So, nandito tayo ngayon sa MBK. Particularly dun sa taas. Sa 4th floor. So, dito makikita ang lahat ng uri ng gadgets. From smartphones, cellphones, accessories, watches, repair, trade-ins, cameras, drones, charger, etc. I think this is one of the places na dapat na makita mo kung naghahanap ka ng items or if you're planning to change your mobile phone. Dito yan kasi they have everything. Parang ano siya, parang Green Hills sa Pilipinas. Sobrang laki nito, guys. Ikaw na rin susuko. Paano ba mag-pay dito? By cash or by QR code? Meron din yan. Mga hard drive. May headsets, may wag ka, may mga ano, may mga shampoo. Diba nakakatuwa? So, I'm actually looking for a drone. But I still cannot find it kasi mostly nang binibenta dito ay mga cellphones or SIM cards. So how do you get here? Just get off at the National Stadium Station sa BTS. Mag-interchange ka from Siam. Ang dami, guys. Cellphone and more cellphones. More gadgets. More repair shops. And it's a whole stretch of these dash cams, notepads, power banks, they got it, accessories. So if you're planning your day and if you want to check out something related to technology and you don't know where to find them, I think MBK got it. So I just cannot recommend a particular shop, but you can check it on your own during your free time. There's just a lot. A lot. So they also have providers. And there's food here, there's shopping. It's a souvenir place. So if you're looking for something to buy for your loved ones, then you can check out MBK too. It's a big place for everything that you need. Ayan. So I'm actually looking for that drone, but I still cannot find it. But hopefully I can find one. And I get to film it. Okay, well, thank you so much for being with me. Again, this is your ate, Lizette Zambrano, here in Filipina Expat channel. Do subscribe, like, and don't forget to share. Salamat!